Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhilash back. So today I'm gonna install this handlebar mirror. So I think you have seen the unboxing video. So I have bought a set of handlebar mirror. So I'm gonna install this in one over here and one over here. So I'm gonna make this complete unboxing video. The unboxing video has been already made. This is the installation video. So let me see how it looks. If it's looking fine, I'm gonna keep this or I'm gonna return this. So let's begin the unboxing, guys. And before that, I request you guys to help me in uploading more and more videos by subscribing my channel. And for the people who have already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. And please give me your continuous support and love so I can make good videos and upload more and more videos. So that's for now, and I'm gonna make this unboxing. I'm not gonna make you bored anymore. So let's start the unboxing. First we have to remove both the handlebar and then we have to use. So for this you need a Holland key. So this is the Holland key which I have. I'm gonna remove this first. Hey guys, I could not install it at home because I didn't have a Holland key. So I have bought the Holland keys now. So it's time to install. So this is to remove the handle and this is to fix the mirror. So I bought this Holland key and you required a combination player which I've already bought. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove both the handlebar. So let me remove this first. Shift. So I think it's fine. Just using my thumb to check if both are aligned correctly. Okay, so the installation is done, guys. So this is how you're gonna install this to your handlebar. Hope you guys like this video and let me know your suggestion. What was the best way to install this? If you think this is not the right way, please let me know, because I feel this is the correct way to install this handlebar mirror. And it has options where you can twist it. And the market has many other options, but round, which I prefer. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and click on that bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. And for all my subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for supporting me and helping me reaching 35,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much guys for watching. Take care. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.